We are talking some icy weather coming our way this evening through tomorrow morning. We are going to have freezing rain widespread overnight, causing icy roads. So if you have date plans or holiday travel plans, you're going to need a plan B. Staying home is the best bet tonight. Taking a look at the wind chill, that is the biggest issue we have this morning. Roadways are doing just fine, but it feels like 5 below in Ames. Same for Des Moines. It feels like 7 below in Sheridan. So as you're heading out the door, that's what your body responds to. That is what you need to dress for. Winds are picking up. Already about 10 to 15 streaming out of the east. They will be noticeable throughout the afternoon, and we're already getting started this early in the morning. It is 10 right now. We have that 11-mile-an-hour wind in the capital city, but again, it is going to continue to tick up through the afternoon. It will gust a little bit higher at times, so it's just going to add insult to injury. But here is the culprit down to our south. Right now, we are seeing some clouds cast in our direction. Those clouds are going to continue to build in from south to north throughout the day, and they will continue to thicken up. Temperatures are critical as we go through the next 24 hours. Later on this afternoon, that's when that freezing rain is going to start to billow in from the southwest. It's going to continue to move north and then east as we go through the overnight hours. It is going to become widespread across the area. There will be ice. It will be difficult travel on those roadways. As we get into tomorrow morning, there is going to be a line somewhere between I-80 and Highway 30. That's where that transition zone is going to be. To the north, we are going to have a mix. To the south, we are going to have a rain with less ice on those roadways. As we get into the afternoon, notice the temperatures, they get above that freezing mark. So we will see rain in Des Moines and areas to the south. Meanwhile, up to the north, continuing with a mix of snow and some sleet, some freezing rain. It's all a mixed bag up to the north. This continues even into the evening hours before it starts to push off to the east. In the overnight hours, it does exit off to the east. We will have melting temperatures as we get into Sunday. We will have widespread cloud cover through much of the day, some clearing out to the west, but plan on a blanket of clouds through the day with those melting temperatures hitting those 40s for most of us as we go into the afternoon. Ice is going to be a big factor out to the east. That's where we're expecting the heaviest of the ice totals. So we are expecting some power outages and even some broken tree branches if we get to about a quarter inch or more. Some areas northeast Iowa, that's where we're expecting that to happen in our area. So we're going to keep our eye on it. As far as liquid precip, heaviest is going to be off to the southeast. We do need it. Up to an inch is possible. Up to the northwest, a little bit less. We're talking only about 1/10 of an inch. As far as today, it's going to be mainly cloudy with those clouds building in. It is this evening that we're going to need to just stick at home, stay home through the overnight hours. We bottom out early, but the temperatures do climb through the overnight. We'll be around 30 as we get going on our Saturday. Your 10-day forecast has those melting temperatures on Sunday. We remain mild Monday and Tuesday before temperatures drop off in the middle part of next week.